How to buy a Mintify token. So this token came under the symbol of mint. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. If you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find a referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, after that, what you need to do, now just go and log into your account on MEXC. So what you need to do, in the search bar, type mint, as you can see, and you will be able to find this pair. Click on it, wait a few seconds to be able to see this page, and now you are able to buy this token. Click on limits. Here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid off that USDT on your account. Now click on buy mint. If you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy mint token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.